It's time for the May OK Beauty box. This box is worth £105. This edit is called Best of British. Let's see what it's got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so shiny. Ignore the shininess, I'm bloody hot. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video is this. So this is the May OK Beauty box. Let's open her up. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my my YouTube family. Would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload a video. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Basically, I need, how many is it? 44. Yes, I need 44 subscribers to get to 2,000. We are so close. When I do get to 2,000 subscribers, there's going to be a giveaway. I'll link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what's going to be in the giveaway. So go and check it out. The main prize is the glossy 2021 advent calendar, which is so good. So if you can share my channel with your friends and your family, the quicker we can get there, the quicker I can do this giveaway. But yeah, here is the box. So just here it says that you get a minimum of 5 products in this box and they will be worth at least £60. Apparently this box is worth £105 this month, so that's really cool. Oh, that just popped up to say hello. So in the box we get the edit card. It has the information on the products in here, which is great. We have some kind of voucher thingy for the OK magazine, so we'll pop that to one side. And there is a sneak peek there. So this is £15 per month, which I think is a really good price. Basically, I had a look on their website and they have a code on there where you can get your box, your first box, for £4.95. I'll pop that down below in the information box with the link for the website. That is not affiliated. It's, as I say, it's on their website and they've given it to everybody. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. So quickly back to the edit card. It just says on here, this edit is called Best of British. So let's get started with the first product. First product being this. So this is by the brand Floral Street, and it is Sunflower Pop. This obviously is a little sample. It's worth £3.90. It just says OK Beauty editor Laura basically says, enjoy British fragrance brand Floral Street's latest fragrance, Sunflower Pop. It's fresh and fruity with notes of mandarin and bergamot. It's the perfect spring scent. Okay, I love getting little samples. It just gives you a little idea if you like the scent or not before committing to full size product, which is great. So let's just have a spritz, just a little bit. Oh, that really does smell fresh, not too sweet. That is really nice. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by one of my all-time favourite skincare brands. It is pricey, but so good. It's by Doctor's Formula, and this is part of their Power Actives range. They have a few bits in that range, and this is the Simonides serum. This is one of the not as expensive products, but this is a full size and it is £34.90. Niacinamide is one of the hottest skincare ingredients to know about at the moment, and it has tons of skin benefits, from reducing the appearance of pores to strengthening the skin barrier. It suits all cosmeceutical serum is guaranteed to become a staple in your routine. So super happy to get this, super happy. In fact, I'm not even going to open it. I'm going to leave it all sealed because I want this to be fresh as a daisy when I do come to use it. But guys, I love this brand. Not much else I can say about that. The third item we have is this. So this is by Monoskin, and it's a moisture rich collagen cream. This is a full size product and the RRP for this is £33.50, and it just says another skincare superstar. This comforting, collagen boosting moisturiser deeply hydrates while working to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I absolutely love collagen, fan-bloody-tastic, really nice brand as well. I've tried a few, well not a few, I've tried 1 or 2 products from this brand and they've been really good. So yeah, really happy to get that. The product we have in this box is this. That's why the box was so heavy. So this is by Baylis and Hardin and it's a sleep body wash, full size, and it's worth £5. Really, £5? Wow, that is really affordable. Relax and unwind at the end of the day with this body wash from Baylis and Hardin. Formulated with 98% natural ingredients and scented with notes of lavender, bergamot, chamomile and sage to help encourage a more restful night's sleep. Cool, so this is going to last a little while, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's 500 mils, which is great. Oh yeah, that's good. That's real good. That lavender is the first thing you smell, and you can smell the other bits that it's mentioned too. That's gorgeous. The item we have in the box is this. So this has been around the block multiple times, multiple. This is by the brand Balance Me, and this is vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum. It's travel size, and this is worth £14. It says say goodbye to tired under eyes with this plumping, radiance boosting eye cream, which contains vitamin C, caffeine, hyaluronic acid to perk up your peepers. So I have lost count how many times I have received this, but I'm not mad about it because I really like it. This is one of my favourite products from Balance Me. I've tried a few of their products now and I've really quite liked them. I think there's only been 1 or 2 which I haven't, but yeah, this is one of my favourite products by them, so cool. The 6th and final product is this bad boy right here. So this is by Percy and Reed, and this is Give Me Strength Strengthening Hair Mask. This is a travel size product and it is worth £9. It just says struggling with straggly ends and lackluster lengths. This 10-minute hair mask will revive your hair, bringing it back to its smoothest, swishiest best. Cool. I love getting hair masks. This is great because even though it's travel size, you get 50 mils in here. So you're going to get, depending on your hair length, you should get at least a couple of masks out of this, which is fan-bloody-tastic. Yeah. Can't wait to try that out. This is the May OK Beauty Box Best of British Edit. What do you think? Personally, I freaking love this box. I really love it. So really love the smell of that shower, well it's not shower gel, it's body wash, but basically the same thing. That smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm so chuffed I've got a product, a skincare product by one of my favourite skincare brands out there. Fantastic. Collagen. I love a bit of collagen and by a very nice brand indeed. The little Floral Street, I would have saw that as a little freebie in the box, not as an item in the box. But still, there's 6 items here, which is absolutely fine. Hair mask. This needs something doing with it because, oh my god, I've just piled on top of my head. That'll do. And yeah, like I say, I don't think people are, well, I don't think there's going to be a lot of people out there happy to get this, because we do get it very often, but I am one of the happy ones to get it because vitamin C eye serum from that brand I really do like. So overall, super happy, massive thumbs up. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. I will leave the link to the website down in the information box, along with the code that I found on the website where you can get your first box for £4.95, which is a steal. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.